So, I have been working on Vendon a little bit more lately. I just compiled the first beta 4 build, which is build 2164. We're going to go through it. So, I'm going to quickly take us through setup. It still identifies itself here as public beta 3 because I actually forgot to change that. So, we're going to pretend that's not there. Same thing here. It still says official public beta 3. I read all that. You just weren't looking. I could upgrade. We'll upgrade. Why not? Not like it's going to do much anyways, because, yeah. Okay. So we'll restart. Mind you, this isn't public beta 3 now. This is the first beta 4 build. I just forgot to change that identifier there. Okay. Um, so here's our login screen. This is the desktop. There, you can see at the bottom right there, it says Vendon 7 beta 4, build 2164, FBL core, date. Um, there's a couple new things in this build, but a lot of the things that are new have taken effect previously between, I think I did a build of beta 2, like a video of that a couple weeks ago. But one of the new things is a new menu down here. It looks closer to like a Windows XP-ish, Windows Vista menu. I don't know, but I like it. So let's go through this. So about Vendon, same stuff. This actually displays your username now that you put in the setup. Um, Clock. This is where I did most of my modifications. So you now have the only thing that worked here before was the stopwatch, but now you have timers and an alarm. So you can do a couple different things. We're going to do the stopwatch first because that's the thing I haven't done lately. But the stopwatch, it's a stopwatch. There's not much else to it. And you can stop it, start it, stop it, start it. You can reset it. And there is also the lap feature, which I do like. You can just keep pressing it and then it'll restart. I do like this feature a lot. Alright, anyways, the next thing, timers. You can either put in the amount of time you want up here by typing it in, or using these, or you can use a template one I put down here for you, which for some reason it has decided to copy twice. Let's close out of that. I'll get back into it. I don't know why it did that. I think if you refresh back, for some reason it does that. I think I just did the way it's coded is kind of weird, so I'll have to fix that. But okay. Anyways, we can go ahead and create. Actually, I don't know if this timer will work. I think it just stops. I don't know if it does anything. Oh, it goes backwards. Okay. Well, I'll fix this later too, but the functionality is here. Uh, the other thing that I do know actually works, though, at least, is alarms. So it is currently 9:47 right now. Let me pull up the time.is so I can see how. Oh, it just hit 9:48. Okay, I'll set one for 9:49 p.m. Start, and then you can turn it on or off by clicking this. I'll just keep this over here while we go into other things. So, file viewer is pretty much the same. There's more files now, though. I think there was only desktop, and I think it was just desktop here before. Now there's documents, music, pictures, and skins. And there's more stuff elsewhere, too. Like in system, there's saves, and there's also information, a couple other things. Pong has not been updated, and I don't know when I'm going to update it. Probably not until late beta 4. Oh, that's not ticked. I just realized that. Okay. Uh, Registry editor. This is another new thing. So this is the alarm. This will keep playing until you hit OK. And there you go. Now you can unselect that, and there you go. Alright. Back to what I was talking about with the registry editor. You have keys you'll be able to modify, which will change different parts of the operating system. There's only one key that you can modify right now, and that is if you go into S key Vendon, software, and startup apps. This right here. If you change this to 1, when you restart, it will come up when you log in. A couple programs will open by default, as well as this menu at the bottom left. I'll restart in a minute. Actually, you know what? We might as well do it right now. Why not? Okay. So with the key enabled, this is what it does. It gives you text pad window, a terminal window, and it opens the menu. This is just pretty much for testing purposes, just to kind of see how things worked, was kind of the whole point of that. Task Manager hasn't changed that much. I did fix some bugs with it, though, to where some programs wouldn't display in here properly, and still doesn't clearly. Because you close out of, like, let's say settings, you close out of it, it's still there. I'll fix that later as well, but you get it. The idea is there. Terminal is a new program in this build. So you can type help to get all your commands that you can type in right there. So you can open programs, close programs. You can just clear this to get rid of everything, but we're going to bring it back. Shutdown. You can list all the programs on your computer, and obviously the help command. And then some commands have their own help thing. For instance, help shutdown. There's shutdown and shutdown-I, which ignores like saving data and whatnot. But you can open programs from here as well. So let's say open clock. There you go. There's the clock. We're going to close out of that. Open, what do we want to open? TextPad. And then we can close TextPad from here as well. There you go. There's there's shortenings as well. For instance, Task Manager, you don't have to type open Task Manager, although you... Why does that not work? I'll have to look into that. Okay. Okay, that one works. Taskman does work. I might not have actually put in Task Manager as that, but okay, that works. But yeah, you can type Taskman. I know about Vendon. Never mind. You can type that, but you can also just type open ver and it will also come up. Alright, here's all the... Let me clear this. Here's all the programs you can run. Oh yeah, this is the other thing, is that you can... Ooh. Although it does look a little bit iffy doing this, you can stretch this out. You can't pin it yet, though. That would... Or not pin it, excuse me. You can't snap it, although I will add that here soon, too. But you can open really any program here, including regedit. There you go. And then get back into your keys or whatever. Wait, let me actually open regedit again. I need to see something. I haven't tested if you can edit these keys yet. Okay, you can't. That's the only one you can edit. Alright, good. Something just came up. I didn't make any changes, but okay. Let's see. Oh yeah, the run program. I forgot about this. I feel like there's not much of a point to this, really. Some programs don't even work. I don't even know, like, Terminal works. Yeah, it doesn't. I know some other ones work, though. Like, if you go to settings, for instance, that works. I know that. I don't know what other ones do work, though, but there is that. I also here soon need to make it so that when you click these, they open to folders. Like, I want, for instance, if you click the documents thing, it would open to the documents folder. Right now, it just opens to nothing. So I will have to... I could have sworn that used to work, too. I don't know. I'll get things figured out later. What else can we do? Let's set another alarm for... Let's do 9:55 p.m. And here's all the keys if you're wondering. System, there's desktop, taskbar, file viewer, security, performance, and installed components. Software has startup apps and app settings. And user has preferences, themes, and accessibility. And there are probably more keys added later as well, but this is just what we have right now as keys that we can edit. This alarm should be about to go off any second now. But yeah, this is the newest build of Vendon. It is the first beta 4 build, as we are getting slowly closer to the end of development. I hope to have everything finished by mid-April, and I want release to be on April 25th. I don't know if that will happen, but we will find out. Until then, we're going to go ahead and shut down. We're going to use the ignore command as well. So, see you guys later.